Hello and welcome to 609 Carty Drive. That's located here in Columbia. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, spacious backyard and also front yard that's fully fenced in and also has a patio in the back. Let's go take a look. All right, we are now in the backyard. As soon as you come in from the fence, you have this walkway that leads to the patio. Also, there's a shed right there, and pretty good sized yard that goes all the way around. And also you have a second entrance on this side of the fence as well. This patio right here, pretty good sized patio. And you have your 2 doors right here, and that leads into the living room of the home. And with that being said, let's go take a look inside. Okay, we are now inside. As soon as you come in through the front door, this is your formal living room. And also right here to the right, you have your formal dining room as well. Also, you have a window that looks out into the front yard of the neighborhood. And also you have your covered front porch as well. Coming through here, you have your kitchen. Also, you have a window that looks out into the garage, and that's a 1-car garage. And you have your stove and your countertops right here, and then you have your stainless steel dishwasher. That door leads to the garage, and then you have your refrigerator right here. As we turn around, you have your living room, and it is carpeted. Right here to the left, you have your alarm system. And these are the 2 doors that I mentioned earlier, and they lead out to the back patio where we were just at moments ago. This door right here to the left is the laundry room. Pretty good sized laundry room, and you have your washer and dryer connections right here. And also you have your tile flooring in here. Coming out of the living room, you have this way that you can come in through the living room, and also you have this door to where you can come in as well. And that's from the front door. To the right here, you have your bathroom. You have your mirror right here, pretty good sized mirror, and also your single vanity, toilet, and shower. Right next to the bathroom, you have your linen closet. And this is an additional closet right here, also beside the bathroom. Now coming down the hallway, you have bedroom number 1 right here. You have your ceiling fan. It is hardwood for majority of the home besides the kitchen and also the living room. You have your 2 windows that look out into the front yard, and also your slide door closet. Coming out of there, you have your thermostat right here in the hallway, and also a chandelier. And then right here next to bedroom number 1, you have bedroom number 2, pretty much the same style, same hardwood floors, not chandelier, a ceiling fan right there. And then you have your 2 windows that look out to the front yard, and then you have your window right here to the left that looks out on the side of the home. The same as bedroom number 1, you have your slide door closet right there as well. And also you have additional closet space right here, and this door is located at the end of the hallway. Right across you have the master bedroom. Same setup as bedroom number 1 and 2. You have your ceiling fan right here, floors, window that looks out to the side of the home. Also your window that looks out into the backyard right here. Your bathroom, slide door closet right here. Let's go back to the bathroom in here and take a look. All right, as soon as you come in, you have your single vanity right here, and also your toilet and stand-up shower. All right, that concludes our video tour of this home. Address is 609 Carty Drive, located here in Columbia. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.